And we take a look at our radar and satellite. Good morning. We have it all moving into our region. A wintry mix as we eye our coastal storm, continuing to bring us impacts today through tomorrow morning. So across the Berkshires, down across Connecticut, that's where we have snowfall and really some big flakes that are flying across Connecticut. For our region, you see some of these brighter colors, and it looks like we're getting heavy precipitation, but this is what we call bright banding. So most of our areas have been picking up on some light rain, but even a mix within Metro West and through Worcester County. I've gotten reports of some sleet across Warren and Acton, and even some freezing rain that has been in the mix. You travel down to southeast Mass, and this is where you're getting the rain across areas of Cape Cod and then down across the islands as well. We keep with this winter weather into tomorrow. Winter storm warning where you see the pink. Berkshires, most of Worcester County and into northern Middlesex County. This is where there's going to be heavier snowfall accumulations compared to areas closer to the coast, and for that reason, travel will likely be difficult. So we continue with our future forecast by about midday. The best chance for some snow continues to be off to the north and west. Still closer to the coast, your temperatures are going to be more marginal, so it'll be this rain and snow mix. We'll keep with the rain down across southeast Mass. Continuing into this afternoon, still those snow showers for far north and west of our region into tonight, and then watch what happens tonight into tomorrow morning. Colder air works in. This flips to snow, and this is when we're accumulating most of the snowfall late tonight and into tomorrow morning, and you keep the snow showers down across southeast Mass a little bit longer. So eventually that rain transitioning to snow. 6 to 9 inches for higher elevations. That is where you're going to pick up a little bit more closer to the coast on the lower end of things. We'll talk more about this snow map and the impacts ahead.
Snowflakes. I know some people even seeing some rain already.
Yes,
What's the next few hours look like?
Yeah, we have it all right now. We're getting the rain, the snow, even some sleet, and this coastal storm is going to continue to bring us some impacts today and then into tomorrow morning. I think our biggest impacts are going to be the travel late tonight and into tomorrow. So over the past few hours, we've been seeing a lot of this activity continue to lift off to the north. Initially, a lot of us just seeing some light rain, but now starting to see that transition to some snow. And even if you're close to that rain snow line where there's the back and forth, that's where you're picking up on some sleet. So we'll start here within Worcester County first. Light snow within Worcester, down across southern Worcester County, and then you're starting to see more of this transition to light snow for areas into northern Worcester County. But the closer you are to where this rain snow line is for areas like Natick down to Millis and Franklin, you're likely seeing some sleet. There's reports that the snow has transitioned to sleet within Millis and slushy coatings across some of the grassy surfaces. Closer to the coast, this is rain stretching into Essex County, down across Boston. You saw the wet pavement with some of our views, and then down across southeast Mass. I know it looks like you're getting some heavy rain, but this is what we call bright banding, so just expect some rain across far southeast Mass. We look at our temperatures, and they're pretty marginal the closer you are to Worcester County, and in the upper 30s across areas closer to the coast, down across southeast Mass. So here, there's just not a lot of cold air, and that's the reason we're getting this messy mix that continues to spread across the region. What's going to happen as we continue into this afternoon, I think areas north and west of the region still have the best shot at this being snowfall into this afternoon. It quiets down a little bit later on this afternoon, and you see closer to the coast, we're still seeing rain down into southeast Mass as well. The bigger changes are going to be once we get to tonight. Some colder air is going to start to work in as we get a wind shift, and then that colder air above us translates to dropping temperatures down at the surface overnight into tomorrow. This is when we're going to pick up the biggest bulk of our snowfall accumulations late tonight into tomorrow morning. Here you see those temperatures dropping, and into tomorrow is when I do think it flips to snow across the coast and in Boston. So expect some snow showers for your commute tomorrow morning, and then watch what happens. This continues to slide down to the south, filling in across Plymouth County and then also Barnstable counties and the islands. So this is going to end as a snow event down across southeast Mass, where you may actually get some ocean enhancement involved with this. So 1 to 3 inches of snow is possible in those locations, 3 to 6 inches for areas within Metro West and into Essex County. Keep in mind, though, the closer you are to the coast, because of the mixing and because it's really flipping to snow at the end, you're going to be closer to that 3-inch mark, that lower end mark. So I think 3 inches possible within Boston, 6 to 9 inches for areas along north and west of 495, and then closer to 9 inches within northern Worcester County and then into southern New Hampshire. That's the snowfall snowfall accumulation. The other story with this is we will get some strong wind, not overly strong as in previous storms, but wind gusts will start to pick up late tonight into tomorrow. Gusts 30 to 50 miles per hour, strongest across Cape Ann and Cape Cod. As we look ahead to our 7-day forecast, we get the sunshine to return by Tuesday and Wednesday. Cold temperatures Tuesday, and then we slightly rebound into the end of the week.